Hello everyone, today we'll learn about the topic physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So let us start our topic today. Aldehyde and ketones, the lower aldehyde and ketones like methanol is a gas at room temperature and ethanol, it is volatile liquid. And all the other aldehydes and ketones are either liquid or solid at room temperature. So the next property we'll learn about is boiling point. So how for that we have to compare the boiling points of aldehyde and ketones with other compounds. So we will compare it with the hydrocarbons, with the ether and with the alcohol of comparable molecular mass, means the same molecular mass. So I have listed some compounds which have the comparable molecular mass like 58 or 60 gram per mole molecular mass. So these compounds, I'll give you the reasons why their boiling point is in this order. So aldehyde and ketones have more boiling point than hydrocarbon. So butane, N-butane is a hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon, you can see that it has 273 Kelvin boiling point, and while this aldehyde, propanol or ketone acetone, it has slightly higher than butane. It has more boiling point than butane. So the reason behind this is that aldehyde and ketones, they have some dipole interaction among them. So because of the carbonyl carbon, there is some polarity difference between the atoms, and these aldehydes and molecules, they have some molecular interaction among their molecules, although it is weak interaction, but there is interaction. But in the hydrocarbons there is no such dipole interaction, because the carbon and hydrogen have similar electronegativities. So therefore it only has weak van der Waals forces. Therefore less energy is needed to boil hydrocarbons, and less energy is needed, therefore their boiling point is less. The second compound is methoxyethane, that is ether. So ether has more boiling point than hydrocarbon, but less boiling point than aldehyde and ketone. So why? Because it has some polarity compared to the hydrocarbon, but it has less polarity or less dipole interaction than aldehyde and ketone. Therefore its boiling point is less than aldehyde and ketone, but greater than hydrocarbon, that is butane. The next compound is aldehyde and ketone. So as we have discussed that it contains some dipole interaction, therefore their boiling point is higher than ether and hydrocarbons. But their boiling point is very much less than what? Alcohol. So last compound is propane 1-ol. So its boiling point is highest among these compounds because of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. We have discussed it in the chapters of alcohol, phenols and ethers also, that alcohol contain intermolecular hydrogen bonding, therefore they bind together, and when they bind together, so to boil them more energy is needed, and therefore their temperature, the boiling temperature, is also very high. So this was the reason why the boiling point of acetone of ketone and aldehyde is less than alcohol and greater than hydrocarbon and ethers. Next point is that we will discuss about them. The next physical property is solubility. So what is the solubility of aldehyde and ketones in water and in ether? Ether means organic solvents. So next property is solubility. The lower aldehydes and ketones like methanol, ethanol and propanone, they are soluble in polar solvents like water. Why is it so? Because they form the hydrogen bonding with water. So this is the aldehyde or ketone molecule. Here one of the R group can be hydrogen, so that it can be aldehyde. So this makes the hydrogen bonding with one of the hydrogen atom of water molecule, and similarly the other aldehyde or ketone molecule makes the hydrogen bonding with other oxygen hydrogen atom. So here oxygen is electronegative and hydrogen is electropositive. So it has partial positive charge, the hydrogen atom, and oxygen has partial negative charge. So this is responsible for the solubility of lower aldehyde and ketones in water. But the higher aldehyde and ketones, they are not soluble in water. They are soluble in organic solvent. In fact, all aldehydes and ketones are soluble in organic solvents. So organic solvents like benzene, ether, chloroform. So these are organic solvents in which these aldehydes and ketones can be dissolved. Next physical property is smell or odor. So the lower aldehydes and ketones have pungent odor, but the higher aldehydes and ketones molecules, they have fragrance, fragrant. They impart fragrance, due to which they can be used in perfumes and flavoring agents. So this can be these aldehydes and ketones can be used in perfumes and flavoring agents. Now we will discuss some questions on this topic, physical properties of aldehyde and ketones, so that you can just revise what we have learned. So this is the question. We have been provided 4 compounds and we have to arrange them in the increasing order of boiling point. So we have already learned that the least boiling point is of what? Hydrocarbons. But the fact is that you should compare the first molar mass. So all of them has similar molar mass, that is around 72 to 74 gram per mole. So all of these compounds have similar molecular mass. Then only we will compare their boiling point. So they have similar molecular mass. So now we will compare their boiling point. So the least boiling point will be of the hydrocarbon. So among them the hydrocarbon is this one. So this is pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 carbon atoms. So it is pentane. So it has least boiling point. So first we will write this compound, the pentane. Okay, the least boiling point. Then after that we'll search for ether, because the alcohol and aldehyde have higher boiling point range. So ether is this one. So this is ethoxyethane. So this is the second compound after the pentane, which will have higher boiling point because it has some dipole moment, dipole interaction, but here the pentane don't have any dipole interaction. The next is what? The 2 compound left are aldehyde and alcohol. As we all know that alcohols have intermolecular hydrogen bonding, therefore their boiling point is highest. So it will be the 4th. And the third one is aldehyde. So the increasing order is the first pentane, it will have least boiling point, then ether, it will have slightly higher boiling point, then aldehyde, slightly higher boiling point than ether, and the highest boiling point will be of alcohol. So this is how we will arrange their boiling point. Next question, it is also similar question. I'll show you. So in this question also you are provided with aldehyde, alcohol, ether and alkane or hydrocarbon. So we have to again arrange in the increasing boiling point order. So first we should see that whether their molecular mass are same or similar or not. So their molecular mass are same, that is 44 to 46 gram per mole. So now we will arrange in their increasing boiling point. So the least boiling point will be of the alkane. So this is propane. So it will have the least boiling point. So first we will write alkane because it has only weak van der Waals forces and no polarity. Then somewhat increased polarity is of ether. So it will be written the second place. So it will have some higher boiling point. Then comes the aldehyde because it has some dipole-dipole interaction, some more dipole-dipole interaction compared to ether. So it will have higher boiling point than ether. Then the highest boiling point will be of the alcohol because it has intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Therefore, their molecules are always associated and therefore their boiling point is highest. So, in this way, we can write the increasing order of the boiling point. First is alkane, then ether, then aldehyde and then alcohol. So this was all about today's topic, physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you so much and we will meet in next lecture soon. Thank you.